Want to add or update your avatar on Instagram? It's a great way to personalize your profile. Here is how to do it on your iPhone. First, open the Instagram app. Navigate to your profile page. Tap the Edit Profile button just below your bio. Tap on Edit Picture or Avatar at the top, then select the Avatar tab. If you haven't created one yet, tap Create Avatar to begin the setup process. You can customize everything from your skin tone to your hairstyle, face shape, and body type. Simply swipe through the options and make selections to match your look. Once you're satisfied with your avatar, tap Save and continue to finalize. And that's it. Your new avatar is now live on your Instagram profile.